Hello, JP here with a quick and simple video that shows you how to use a Rolex Day Date 40 from setting the time and date through to winding. For this video, I'm using a 2023 Rolex Day Date 40 in 18 karat Ever Rose Gold with an olive green dial, fluted bezel and President Bracelet, but all Rolex Day Date 40 models work in the same way. Unscrewing the crown to the position 1 allows for the watch to be wound manually. Turn the crown clockwise for a minimum of 25 times to put sufficient charge into wearing. Turning anti-clockwise has no effect at all. To set the day date function, pull the crown out to the second notch. Rotate clockwise until the correct date. Then rotate counterclockwise to set the day. Pull the crown out to the third position to set the time. Turn the crown clockwise or anti-clockwise as needed. You might want to go through the 12 marker to establish if it's a AM or PM. Personally, I set the date to the day before when I set the time and wind through to know when the date changes. The watch is AM, and if I need to go through to PM, I can do so. Your Rolex Day Date 40 is now set and ready for use. The crown of the watch should be kept in the screwed down position when not being adjusted or wound. When it is in this position, Rolex claim the water resistance of a Day Date 40 is 100 meters. To adjust the bracelet size, you'll need to either add or remove links. Additional links can be ordered from your local authorized dealer to ensure they are genuine and match perfectly. The authorized dealer will normally adjust for you as needed. To open the bracelet, simply pull on the crown and the bracelet will open, allowing for the watch to be worn or taken off. This 2023 Rolex Day Date 40 in 18 karat Ever Rose Gold with olive green dial, fluted bezel and President Bracelet is, on my own personal opinion, the absolute perfect watch. But we all have our own opinions, and whichever precious metal Rolex Day Date you have or choose, and whatever dial combination it consists of, it will be fabulous. Thank you for watching the video, and until the next one, JP out. About the time.